Hello, welcome to Nattys Crafts. I'm Natalie. I always do all the crafting. However, today we are actually not crafting. My hands have been really bad and so it just isn't working. And so we're going to do something a little different. We are going to do a review of the Bleame crystal hair remover system. So here's that, and the website is just bleame.com. I found this on TikTok and then now I've bought it and become addicted. And it's just this little crystal bar thing, and it removes hair and it supposedly keeps the hair off for longer. And so I bought it because I watched another YouTuber get it, and she thought it was wonderful. So I thought I better try it and figure out how wonderful it actually is. And it is doing everything that it said it would. It's kind of a magic crystal eraser of hair. It's fabulous. And so that's what we're going to do today. So what I did, I don't know if you can actually see the hair on my arms because I did use this, I don't know, about 2 weeks ago. So I'm trying to show you the hair. Let's see, we'll get a close up. There we go. Okay, so there's the nastiness, okay, on my arm. And that's what we're going to get rid of. And so we literally, and I'm just pointing out the area where that hair is. And we literally just take this little Bleame bar and just take it to your skin and just do circles. And just do circles until the hair is gone. I mean, it's absolutely amazing. It doesn't hurt. It doesn't pull. It doesn't sting. Nothing. It just feels like you're rubbing a piece of chalk against your skin. And there my camera fell because I hit it. So sorry about that. We'll fix that. And it takes a moment. So this is actual real time for this little small area on my arm. So I'm not speeding this up at all, so you can see about how long it takes to get this little spot cleared of all the hair. And it's amazing to me, like I am still amazed by it. Now I've used it twice now, and I'm still amazed by it. I don't understand how it works. I don't get it, but I love it. And you do leave a little chalky layer on your arm. And there you can see the hair is gone in that area. It's gone. The hair is gone. How does that work? This is some kind of magic that I don't know about. And so now I didn't get it perfect. So now I'm going back and I'm just going to cover it again and just do it a little bit longer. And then again, it does leave that chalky kind of residue on you. So you do have to obviously wash off or take a shower afterward, which I'm totally okay with. And there's when I'm all finished. I mean, it's amazing. It's absolutely amazing. And my skin is softer and the hair didn't grow back as quick. So this worked really well on my arms and my legs and my bikini line. Did not work on my armpits or my face. My armpits are, I believe, a little too sensitive, and so it did not work at all there. So this is what it looks like when you get it. It comes in a cute little box. It's just this little stone, basically, the crystal stone. That's it, guys. That's all I wanted to show you today. I apologize I don't have a craft for you, but next time, look for me next week, next Tuesday. I'll have something for you. I do appreciate you stopping by. Please go ahead and make sure to give the video a big thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. Have you tried this Bleame bar or have you heard of it yet? And then also subscribe. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell when you subscribe so you know when the next video comes out. All right. I thank you all so much for stopping by today. Go ahead and appreciate today because remember, tomorrow is never promised. Thank you. Have a great one.